Hey guys, welcome back to Handmade with me, Marianne, and oh yeah, it's field trip time. Today I am taking you to the world's longest yard sale. So not only are we going to do a little shopping today, I am going to give you some of my favorite tips for yard sale shopping. So let's go. Alright, tip number one. If you want the biggest selection, go at the crack of dawn when things open. But here is a secret. If you actually want the best deals, go late, because whatever is left, you can usually bargain for. So if you're buying something big that you want to come back for, another good idea is to take a picture of the location so you can remember where it is. That mirror is mine. So guys, if you're headed out to a yard sale, another tip is to be flexible and open to whatever the universe may decide to bestow upon you. It's no fun to go to a yard sale with a list. If I had, I may not have considered this beautiful French skiing poster, which is coming home with me right now. There's nobody there. When you're headed to a yard sale, remember cash is king, and don't forget to bring some small bills. Sometimes exact change can be your best bargaining chip. These are $4 each. I'm going to see if I can get both for $5. But while we're talking about bargaining, it's definitely encouraged, it's even expected, but don't be a jerk. Asking for a few dollars off of something is fine, but don't try to get it for free. Some records. So excited. Most importantly, guys, yard sale season tends to be a little on the hot side. So bring some water because it's expensive to buy when you're there, and drink plenty because being dehydrated could lead to some bad decisions. And when all else fails, there's always ice cream. Alright guys, I am hot, I'm sweaty, I'm down to my last $5. So let's wrap this day up. I said I had $5 left, and you are looking at my last $5 purchase because you know I cannot resist a planter. This one is so cool. That's it guys, that's my last $5. I set a budget, I'm sticking to it. Another tip, if you've got a friend with a truck, you might want to borrow it. I wasn't kidding. We've got a car full of plants. It was so fun. Well guys, I hope you've enjoyed this little trip to the world's longest yard sale. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Bye. What is it? Well, it says don't forget important days. I just think it's cute. You know, this is like a old-fashioned calendar.